It is such a nice view from the top, and I have to be aware of these trees which are coming in between. Oh, why is the propeller stopping? I should find some way, or else it will be fatal for me and the aircraft as well. Oh, I see a terrace over here, and since the propeller has stopped, I should rather look for an emergency landing on this rooftop. Oh, let's land here. Okay. Huh. Now that I have found the ground, let us relax a bit. I hope that this rooftop does not collide by the weight of the aircraft. Let me pray to God that everything remains fine. Hey man, who are you? And what are you doing here with your aircraft? This is our college terrace. Well, friends, I am a pilot and I was on a routine flight and the plane broke down. Oh, okay, okay. I think there's some problem with this propeller fan. Let me fix it. Now check it once again. Oh, my dear friend, I think I think that it is improving. Yes, yes. Dear friends, you have helped me a lot. Otherwise, what would have happened to me? I do not know. Hey man, it was our duty, nothing to mention about. Yes, we keep on helping people who are in distress. Okay, for that, I invite you to the airfields. Whenever you visit the airfields, look for Remo. That is my name. And I will show you the entire departments of our aircraft building and the flying club, etc. Okay, and now since the propeller has started working fine, I shouldn't waste time and bid a goodbye to you people. You people are very nice boys. Okay? And bidding you goodbye at Giggle. Thank you, friends. Bye bye. Okay.